Hello friends, welcome back to our English class. In this video, we are going to learn about dialogue writing. What is dialogue? Dialogue is a conversation between different characters. It can be two persons, three or four. When we speak about how to write a dialogue, I must tell you that there are two kinds of dialogues. One is formal dialogue, the other one is informal dialogue. If it is a formal dialogue, your language must be formal. If you are writing an informal dialogue, your language must be informal. That's all. So, here are the things you should remember while writing dialogues. First one is, a dialogue is a conversation or a set of words spoken between two or more characters. You all know that dialogue is a conversation, and it may be a conversation or communication between you and your friends, your relatives, cousins, family members, teachers, strangers, etc. For example, if I ask you, did you complete the homework given yesterday? You will answer, no miss, I didn't complete. Then again I will ask, why didn't you complete the homework? Your answer will be, sorry miss, I forgot. Again it's my turn. Hey dear, complete it now. So here you and me communicated with actual speech. It's called a conversation or dialogue. Okay, so it represents actual speech. Hence, the form of dialogue used as colloquial or conversational. This is a conversation which happened now between you and me. Okay. Then, dialogue writing involves the use of dialogues to describe the conversation between two characters or more characters. Sometimes you may be asked to write a dialogue between two characters. So to do so, keep in mind the following points. A dialogue must be written in reference to a given situation. Clearly understand the situation on the basis of which the dialogue is to be created and then begin writing. Use your imagination to introduce conversation or dialogues in direct speech wherever possible. Okay. You will have a situation to write a dialogue. So, try to understand the situation given on the basis of which the dialogue is to be created. For example, the situation may be a conversation between a doctor and a patient, a teacher and a student, you and a stranger who wants to know the way to the railway station, etc. Anyway, use your imagination to introduce conversation or dialogues. And use direct speech wherever possible. Direct speech means what? If I ask you, what's your name? It's a direct speech. What's your name? That's a direct speech. And if you report this to your friend, you will say, the teacher asked me that what was my name. This is indirect speech. So, the direct speech is the actual words of a speaker. Indirect speech is a reported speech. So use direct speech in dialogue writing. While writing, keep the language simple. Use simple style to write a dialogue. Keep the dialogue concise and relevant. Means keep the dialogue small and to the point. Ensure that it sounds natural and interesting. Then you can use contraction such as don't, shouldn't, that means do not. Instead of do not, you can use don't. Instead of should not, or should plus not, shouldn't. And instead of cannot, you can use can't. And interjections such as oh, alas, in order to make the dialogue seem natural and conversation. For example, someone told you, I got first rank in the entrance test. Then you can say, oh, that's great. Or someone told you, you heard our old professor met with an accident yesterday evening. Alas, then what happened? So you can use the interjections, okay, to make the dialogue natural and conversational, okay. Then next point you should remember is the characters in the dialogue could be human beings, animals, inanimate objects, and can have names. Anyway, characters play a central role in dialogue writing. Okay, use the names of the characters to indicate their dialogues. For example, John or Rahul, or you can use teacher, student, or doctor, patient, doesn't matter. Okay, then use a colon after the name of the character, then write the spoken words. For example, teacher, put a colon and write the dialogue. Why are you late today? Student, put a colon. Sorry teacher, I missed my school bus. And again teacher, put a colon, doesn't matter, get in. Okay, here we put colons for each character. Coming to the next point, every time a different character speaks, write the dialogue on a fresh line. So here in this example or in this conversation, every time the teacher or the student speaks, we select a fresh line to write their dialogues. Okay, then let's move on to next point. Give the characters fair share of words to speak. Make sure that the conversation is not dominated by any one character. So here is an example. Teacher, why are you late today? Did you miss your school bus? Student, no. Teacher, then what happened? Did you get up late today? Student, no. So here in this conversation, the teacher's character is dominated. So make sure that the conversation is not dominated by any one character. Okay? Then the last point is use proper punctuation marks. So, in a nutshell, we can say that a dialogue is a conversation or set of words spoken between two or more characters. It represents actual speech. Hence, the form of language used as colloquial or conversational. A dialogue must be written in reference to a given situation. Clearly understand the situation on the basis of which the dialogue is to be created and then begin writing. Use your imagination to introduce conversation or dialogues in direct speech wherever possible. While writing, keep the language simple. Keep the dialogue concise and relevant. Ensure that it sounds natural and interesting. You can use contractions such as don't, shouldn't, can't, and interjections such as oh, alas in order to make the dialogue seem natural and conversational. Characters play a central role in dialogue writing. The characters in the dialogue could be human beings, animals, inanimate objects, and can have names. Use the names of the characters to indicate their dialogues. When writing a dialogue, use a colon after the name of the character, then write the spoken words. Every time a different character speaks, write the dialogue on a fresh line. Give the characters fair share of words to speak. Make sure that the conversation is not dominated by any one character. And last point, use punctuation marks. That's all. Here is an example for dialogue writing. Read it and try to understand. Hope all of you understood and you learned how to write a dialogue based on a given theme. Thank you.